everybody's getting it. James G, even Jack. Cause I'm a beast on the track when I fucking rap. Okay, enough of this garbage. I'm causing a carnage. I'm switching the barrage. Emptying the cartridge on this bastard. Nigga. So what's good, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Sean T, and we're about to react to Laycon. It's been a while since we reacted to Laycon, guys. This was a request made by Kate during our last live reaction. So shout out to Kate. Let's check this out, guys. So hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Let's go. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Let's go. Laycon all over me.
Yeah.
Yo, I saw the BBNaija reunion, man. I like the way the nigga was calm and collected, man. It looked like Erica was looking for a fight, but yeah, nigga pipped the energy. So let's go.
Now only me I know. I believe she jack but tell the girl you want to the day behind me. Anything you want, I want to go do, baby.
I like the way this starts. I was half expecting this to be rap. Obviously this is not rap. But let's go. This is dope anyway. Let's go. Sounds dope so far.
Yeah. Now only me I know. I believe she jack but tell the girl you want to the day behind me. Anything you want, I want to go do, baby girl, sure you hear me. I know like wahala, oh I be girl, if you want to make me angry. Cause you don't, they want me, you can tell me. She don't.
Hold on, guys, I'm sorry. I'm super sorry, but yeah. When he said, I know want to wahala if you want to make me angry. Bro, in my mind I keep feeling like this so much clicks. Like, yo, what if happy girl is Erica? Like, yeah, what if happy girl is Erica? I'm not saying she is. I know she most likely isn't. But oh my, to make making that connection is just so tempting. But let's go.
Baby girl, sure you hear me. I know like wahala, oh happy girl, if you want to make me angry. Cause you don't, they want me, you can tell me. She don't. I lock in my door, you don't. I'm about to give you my heart, you don't. No, you did all over me. Don't. I give you my heart, you don't. You want to break in my door, don't. I must to love you all, kilo day. Oh my, I must to love you all, I must to give you my love.
And I like the way African cultures fuse in music these days. All right, forming part of the African pop culture. Although I think although is a Ghanaian word that means love, right? Yeah. So I think I'm correct. So yeah, Laycon is Yoruba, is Nigerian, and yeah, he's using it here. It's a popular word. Although you know I'm saying. Let's go.
Oh, I must to love you although I must to give you my love, but I want to give you my love. Oh my, I want to love you although I must to give you my love, but I want to give you my love. Why you bothering me? Why you telling me something is happening when something isn't happening? Why you begin to tackle me like say you catch COVID? Why avoiding me? I'm making sacrifice, make our God.
Oh Christ, guys. Are you guys now? Be honest. I'm very sure icons don't like to hear anything about Laycon mixed with Erica, but this shit is tempting for me, bro. All right. Why are you telling me something is happening? Like, why are you leading me on? You have that one. Then why are you avoiding me? And I'm thinking like, okay. I know this is not about BBNaija, but yeah, making that connection is tempting, bro. Let's go.
Say you catch COVID, why avoiding me? I'm making sacrifice, make our God they go cause it's not funny. In me teach but it's not funny cause I don't retire. I don't begin decide. No be my life you go use up.
Hold up. Nah, let's go.
Make our God they go cause it's not funny. In me teach but it's not funny cause I don't retire.
Oh sorry, I have to play this back. Let's go back.
I want to love you although I must to give you my love, but I want to give you my love. Why you bothering me? Why you telling me something is happening? Something isn't happening. Why you begin to tackle me? Like say you catch COVID, why avoiding me? I'm making make our waka dey go cause it's not funny.
Okay.
Meet the jack.
Make I dey waka dey go because it's not funny. Meet Jackba is not funny. Okay. I've run away, it's not funny.
I make make our waka dey go cause it's not funny. Meet the jackpot is not funny cause I don't dey tire. I don't dey tired.
Okay.
No be my life you go use upside down to the jackpot the kaka cause you don't dey one begin tell me. Say dun. I lock in my door, you come. I'ma give you my heart, you dun. No.
Guys, there's nothing anybody will tell me, man. This fits right into the whole Laycon and Erica situation in BBNaija. It fits right into it. I'm not saying that is what it's about, but it fits right into it. Can't tell me nothing, man. Let's go.
Oh no, you dey all over me. Come. I give you my heart, you pop. You want to break in my door, dun. I want to love you all, kilo day. Oh my, oh why? I must to love you all, I must to give you my love, but I want to give you my love. Oh my, oh why? I want to love you all, I must to give you my love, but I want to give you my love. No, you dey all over me. I give you my heart, you pump. You want to break in my door, dun. You want to love me.
What instrument was that? Let's take that again. That should be. Is that trumpet?
You want to break in my door, dun. You want to love me.
Ah, this is beautiful. Oh Lord, this was great. Thank you very much for viewing, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are about this. Let me know what you want me to react to next. So God bless you guys. God bless you.
Pizzo on the track, I'm the one that make him run. I'm the one that drop it hot. Fuck with me and you get shot. They can get me if they plug. I'm the baddest of the lot. I'm the baddest of the lot.